Hello guys, I'm Nature Mother. As you can see, I'm so beautiful, fresh and green and I. However, before I was not beautiful as I am now. I was old and ugly. But what has made me new? Let me show you. Come on. I'm dying. I must do something.
Are you okay?
Oh my dear children, I feel heartbroken to see the nature be ruined. Now I send you to the earth to save it in a noble task. I strongly believe in you. Go and complete the mission.
Yes, Mother. We will do our best to save the earth.
I believe in you.
What do we need when the land is dry? Where do we go when the sun is high? Many will answer, water is for life. Water for you, water for me, water for the animals, water for the trees, water for everyone in society. We are working together.
Excuse me, you don't turn off this stuff.
I'm so sorry. Sorry for my parents. Thank you for reminding me.
Okay, no problem. Every drop counts.
You are arrested for deforestation, destroying the nature. Do you know deforestation is one of the consequences of landslide and soil erosion? As you can see, the forest is the lung of the earth. Forest protection is everyone's responsibility. Burning a forest is like burning a house. Forest fire is like our skin burning. Grow forest and protect them for decade life. I can't open my eyes. We need to do something right now. That's right. Don't worry, I will rescue you right now. It's urgent to save the air. I have one idea. Let's go.
Let's plant as many trees as possible.
We should take the bus.
Drive by.
Or walk instead of driving.
We should use paper bags rather than plastic bags.
Let's protect the environment together.
Vẫn hồng mai xưa
Stop! Turn down your music. Many people don't like it. They have some complaint to you. Look like a cat.
I'm so sorry.
Turn down the sound for a better life quality. Oh, my mother nature, what people have done to the earth.
Remember to clean up this area, everyone.
Yes, let's keep it clean.
Yes.
Oh, it's very lucky to have such environment lover.
Save the environment.
Hey guys, congratulations to the chance. Cheers!
You think you defeat me? No way!
What if I could change the path of time?
Let's
What
go
if I had
with
power to decide. What if I could make us unify? What if we would open up the doors? What if we could help each other more?